Guys, it's finally here. Here, my package. It is something I have been waiting for a very long time. Yeah. Ooh. Stuffaloons. From what I've seen on YouTube, a famous YouTuber called Dr. Squish makes her own squishies out of this machine. Yeah. So, I want to make 2 squishies out of this. Yeah. So yeah, 1 out of Orbeez and slime. Yeah. There we go, I got the thing up. Ooh, oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. So it comes with, I think like 6 balloon thingies. Then, same with the clips. Okay. And then here's the machine. It's got all this stuff. Balloons. Oh dang, this thing is pretty big. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this stuff right here. Okay, so, yep, it's here. So this is a thing. Pretty cool. Then, see, that's how you open it, like that. So you just turn it around. So I think you turn it left to open it and right to close it. Yeah, that's what I think. And then, here are these things. I don't know what they are. We'll see. Okay, so, here's this thingy, which I think goes on top. I don't know. I really should have looked at the instructions. Here's a squishy clip. Cool. Okay, so here's this. Gotta put that there. Gotta put this here. Put the other one here. This one there. This, I don't know. This one here. Oh, I think this goes on top. That's where it goes. But we're not gonna make balloons. We're gonna make squishies, which are like balloons. And then this is a thing. First I'm gonna do slime, because slime isn't messy. Just like Orbeez are. So I'm gonna make like 3 squishies, probably. More likely. It's cool that it comes with these add-ins already. Ooh, different colors. We'll try to make a neato. Yeah. Ooh. Should be cool looking. Okay, we gotta open this up. No. Come on. Got it open. So what I've learned is that you put the balloon here, open it like this, then you just go like that. Boom. See? Like that. With this, that's when you, I think, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Am I doing anything wrong? Is there anything that has to go with this, like batteries or something? It doesn't seem like it. Oh, maybe I have to go. Boom. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, let's actually look at the Yeah, you're supposed to put this here, I think. I don't know where though. It's like... Okay, so I just realized this is gonna be boring right now looking at this. So yeah, I'll see you right now. Okay, so I was able to get it to work. So you just put the balloon inside like that. You do the same thing. Watch. There we go. Now, patient. I think. Oh my God. I'm working a lot here. This is a workout. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put the blue thing on. I think it goes right here. I am wrong. It doesn't fit though. Okay, we're gonna have to work without it. Oh my God. Then just... There we go. I think I got it right. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. See that? See, the balloon is super big. Okay, so we're gonna put this slime in there. So nice. There we go. It's cloud slime. Just put it in there. Just get a piece. Put it in. Wow. There. Okay. And then I think go like that. See, look. What you do is you put this right here, hold it by the top, then you put this part, then you leave it like that. Open it up. It's not ready yet. So I think what you do is you take it off, let all the air out. See, let all the air out. Then you twist it a little bit. Get one of the clips. Then boom, got a squishy. Whoa, this one's a good one. I liked it. It feels so good. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, that's cool. Okay, guys, so I actually lost camera footage of the ending, so I'm just gonna say it here. I hope you guys liked that video. It was really fun to make. So yeah, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.